Hey, how's it going? So, as promised, I'm making you this video to kind of tell you what I think we can do in order to get your site on that first page of Google and just really drive that traffic over to you. First of all, the site looks amazing. It looks really good. I like that you have this chat here. The colors pop. Everything is nice and legible and seems really user friendly. I like your drop downs. Everything's looking really good, right? But Google doesn't really know whether a site looks good or bad. They rely on different metrics to determine who gets to the first page based on any given search, right? The first thing they care about is content, right? So all these words, they care about that word count. So the average site on the first page of Google has between 1,500 and 2,000 words. I typed you in and you're at 1357, which is great. You want to get over to 1500, between 1500 and 2000, mainly because that gives us room to do what's, I think, the most important thing, which is insert keywords, right? A keyword is just what you type into Google. So vape shops Atlanta is what I put in, and that's going to be your keyword, right? So you want to put those keywords into your site as often as you can, basically, right? And you don't have to only rely on the text in your site to do that. You can also save images as that. So see, you have this image is titled RC upload and a bunch of numbers and all that crap, right? You can just rename that to Smoke Shops Atlanta, right? And then boom, you have another ranking for that. So if you save each image as a different keyword, that'll really help you out. Google sees it and helps rank you for that. And as far as content, you can just put in something like the mobile vape shop Atlanta has always wanted, right? And then boom, vape shop Atlanta, Google sees it and starts ranking you for that. So that's kind of that in a nutshell. If we Google vape shops Atlanta, you get Vape 911. So this is their site. And if we go over to the word count on them, they're at 690 words. So you're already blowing them out of the water. Um, the key here, again, is keywords, right? So that's kind of why they're outranking you there. Um, so yeah, that's basically keywords in a nutshell. You want to go for as many of them as possible, as many good ones as possible, right? The next thing I wanted to talk to you about is backlinks, right? So a backlink, this is you right here. You only have one backlink. What a backlink is basically another site referring to your site. So they just another website throws a link to your site on theirs, and that's a backlink. The more, the merrier, really, right? So if we go and look at Atlanta Vape Store again, which is Vape 911, they're working with 653 backlinks and 163 referring domains. So that's 163 websites linking back to them for a total of 653 times. So Google sees that and they're like, okay, cool, this website is legit, and let's rank for it, right? But you got one thing about backlinks that you got to remember is that not all backlinks are created equal. You only want to get backlinks from trusted, authoritative sites, right? For example, like if Pizza Hut were to give you a backlink, Google wouldn't really care about that because Google knows you're not out here slinging pizza, right? You're a vape shop, you're a mobile vape shop, which is I think really cool, by the way. Um, so you want to basically try to get as many backlinks as possible. A really easy way to do that is to just go over here in SEMrush. This is a paid tool, but you can get it if you want. And then boom, these are all the sites that are linking to that site, right? Remember when I said not all backlinks are created equal? We don't care about these. This lost one, this no follow, all that stuff right there, it's just fluff, right? The only ones we really care about are the ones that don't have any of that. Like sitelike.org, that's a no follow. We don't care. Vape 911, we don't care about your own site linking back to you. So we try to find good ones and basically just kind of copycat them, right? Because if these sites are good enough to rank Vape 911, then they're good enough to rank you too. So that's what I would do there. Another one is Free Smoke, like I mentioned before. They have a lot less, 298 and 104, but they have a lot more search traffic, right? They're getting like 3.3 thousand people every month, which is pretty crazy. These guys are only doing $878 per month, right? So that goes to show how important it is to do these things right and do them intelligently. So yeah, the last thing that I wanted to talk about is citations, right? What a citation is basically your company name, address, and phone number, exactly how you have it on Google, showing up across the internet. Um, for example, like Yelp.com, right? That would be a citation, or list of really good smoke shops. That would be a citation, right? I have this other tool here called White Spark, and you see that Vape 911 has 13 citation sources, and Free Smoke Vape has 21 citation sources. Citations is what gets you up on the map pack. So that's what's going to matter to get you here on the map pack of Google, which I think is really important because 9 times out of 10, when I'm looking for a business, I go straight to the map pack and I kind of disregard everything else. I think a lot of people work that way too. So getting you on that map pack would actually not be that difficult, considering they only have 13 and 21 in your competition. You already have 5, so we can get you up pretty easily there and get you on that map pack, and that'll drive business really, really quickly. Um, so yeah, that's kind of it in a nutshell. You want to remember to get that content up, insert really good keywords into that content, and put alt text for your images, save them the right way, so that way those can be keywords too. You want to get as many backlinks as you can, good authoritative backlinks, right? And throw your business name, address, and phone number into as many places as you can to get those citations built up. And over time, that's going to rank your website and get you to that front page. Thank you for your time. I appreciate you watching this video. Again, I'm Carlos. You can reach me at carlos@0-100marketing.com, or you can reach me by phone at 562-999-7844. Thanks again for your time, man, and I hope to hear from you soon.